If you want to set a custom message tone on a Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to Settings, next find and choose Sound and Vibration, and in here we can go to the default notification sound. Of course, the notification sound and the message tone is the same sound. So in here we can now press Add Notification at the bottom of this list in order to choose the custom audio file and that you have on your phone that you wish to set as the message tone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on this check in the upper right corner. Of course, make sure that the newly added sound is selected over here. However, if you want to change the message tone and set the custom message tone specifically for a custom, maybe not custom, but for individual contact, then we can go to the Google Messages app, open the conversation that you have with the contact of your choice, and tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose the details. Now we're gonna go to Notifications. In here, find the sound option, and you should be able to select the custom sound that you added, for example, just now, and that you wish to set specifically for this contact. So now when you receive a message from the selected contact, then the selected sound, the individually selected sound, the custom one, should be played. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.